Mary, Madre, you. Yeah, I hit you like what you say in the mornings when I want you. Yeah, I hit you like what you early in the mornings when I think about you. Yeah, I hit you like what you say in the mornings when I wanna you. Yeah, I hit you like what you say. I could love you all the time.
That's the fuck been drip. My trap house still tipped. FaceTime when I'm gone. She keep me down for this. She love to climb on top. She love to walk off limb. Pimps up, toes down, legs up, toes down. But she jock me, cause she not me. And we got trees, so we go around. Gotta know I made it. She's so sweet now and later. I mean that all the time, all the time. I mean you all of mine.
Mornings when I think about you. Yeah, I hit you like what you say. In the mornings when I want you. Yeah, I hit you like what you say. I could love you all the time.
Sticky, icky, got a nigga out here feeling picky, icky. Every time you put it on me, man, it leave me real trippy. Every time we on it, we keep it fit. Don't let the time tick, icky, while I'm snapping off your bra and biting down your Vickies.
Headshots.
Feeling real tipsy, getting real freaky, and it's getting real frisky. She never say no. Damn, she's so cold. Up and down that pole. She go. Fuck me like you hate me. Kiss me like you miss me. Anything I want to.
That's why she always loves me.
It seems like 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 house filled with dancers, and my diamonds dancing, and my denim mason. Your whole too damn basic, damn he too basic. Pussy niggas save it, spit rats in face. Who you tryna lay with? Who you tryna lay with? Choppers all around me. Who you tryna play with? Bitch, I'm paid big, yo. Paid big, yo. I'm paid big, yeah. Yo, Ben, where the fuck my cup at, man? Where these hoes at, man? Too many of these hoes, man. Shut the song, bitch.
I got money and house filled with dance.
Yo.
Money and house filled with dance.
I got money, answers, house, yo. I got money, answers, house filled with dancers, and my diamonds dancing, and my denim mason. Your whole too damn basic, damn he too basic. Pussy niggas save it, spitting rats in face. Who you tryna lay with? Who you tryna lay with? Choppers all around me. Who you tryna play with. Bitch, I pay big, y'all. Pay big, y'all. I'm pay big, cash all around me.
You know what I'm saying? Cat Carter, man. 2900 on 3 at homecoming, man. All day strong. Try my beat. You know this song, man. In a bit.
sweet tonight. That booty look big tonight. I'm running with that seed tonight. That dick go feed tonight. It's a sick night. Nigga get left. This bitch gon' get right. They tryna make babies. I'm running off safety. Gotta say safe baby. They tryna slay me. I run the AK. They really hate me. I can't fake it. Cause they gon' take it. We gon' wipe his ass like a baby. Tryna play crazy. I show you crazy. She getting on top tonight. I'm out that Glock tonight. We gon' start tonight. That pussy getting hard tonight. You gon' need a vet tonight. I'm beating that cat tonight. You need a hat tonight. I'm pulling that head tonight. Yeah. She want a sweet tonight. That booty look big tonight. I'm running with that seed tonight. That nigga go feed tonight. It's a seed night. Get left. This bitch gon' get right. They tryna make babies. I'm running off safety. Gotta say safe baby. They tryna slay me. I run the AK. They really hate me. I can't fake it. Cause they gon' take it. I'm around they dick tonight. I'm tryna get some neck tonight. I'm breaking bad tonight. I pulled out the mat tonight. That shit getting jet tonight. Fuck around and get wet tonight. Fuck around and get splat tonight. We spray like X tonight. Yeah. She want a sweet tonight. That booty look big tonight. I'm around with that seed tonight. That nigga go feed tonight. It's a seed night. Get left. This bitch gon' get right. They tryna make babies. I'm running off safety. Gotta say safe baby. They tryna slay me. I run the AK. They really hate me. I can't fake it. Cause they gon' take it. They tryna take it. They tryna take it. They tryna take it.
my son cash in the check. So I asked out of respect, would she like to explore the world of high? We can fly in my jet. Her reply was yes. Can I ask you something? I seen it in her eye. Mama looking like all I wanted was sex. Then move to the next. That ain't true. But it was something about this girl's style that made me feel no regrets. We started off casual, walked through the park, candlelight in the spot dark. I'm thinking smart, afraid she might think I'm in a rush to touch, crush, and be up. But baby, I ain't on that stuff. Dropped her off and told her call me up. We could talk, conversate about political subjects, whatever's thought. So I zoomed off, looking bottom, my phone rang. It was her in the shower. Said I couldn't do without her, then I said, if you was my baby, if you was my lady, if you was my baby, the next day I'm with the fellas at the Caseland ball. Here she come with her friends, they posted up on the wall. Now I'm showing out, trying to dunk, trying to dribble, break fast through the middle just to see her smile and giggle. Game over, I approached her with a kiss on the cheek. The homeboys looking at me saying, look, how would you weep? But you know how that go. What I got they want, what I got I flown. Ever mess with it, please don't. Told her I'm going home, she asked can she go too? I'm like, yeah, boo, I can't see me without you. Got her, I took a shower, jumped out. She in the bed with a see-through thong. Said I looked at her and said,